Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 6 for the holistic category, and I want to talk about the ingredients in Jacqueline's home care. So starting with the repairing ingredients that are going to keep her skin healthy, we have inulin. This ingredient enriches the sugar degradation pathways for beneficial bacteria, effectively preventing the proliferation of harmful microorganisms to calm inflammation in the skin. Glycerin is a humectant that draws moisture from the environment and deeper layers of the skin to the stratum corneum to help retain moisture. Bisabolol is an anti-inflammatory that inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines that are involved in skin inflammation. Beta glucan is a humectant that stimulates the Langerhans cells, so those are the cells responsible for wound healing, and also modulates the immune system. Ceramide NP, NG, and AP integrate into the lipid matrix of the stratum corneum, filling in the gaps caused by a weakened barrier to repair the skin. And of course, 11.6% zinc oxide and 0.67% titanium dioxide prevent UV radiation from penetrating the skin by reflecting and scattering UV rays. And we have our acne fighters. Our exfoliants are 2% salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid with a small molecular weight that deeply penetrates the pore, helps control excess oil and clear out dirt and debris. And 2% lactic acid is a gentle alpha hydroxy acid that gently exfoliates the skin and acts as a humectant to help the skin retain moisture. Azeloyl Diglycinate is a water-soluble derivative of azelaic acid. This ingredient works as a peroxisome proliferator activated receptor gamma activator. This builds the skin's resilience against underlying inflammatory responses. It also has antimicrobial properties, regulates sebum production, and controls melanin synthesis. And 2.5% benzoyl peroxide is a powerful oxidizing agent that releases oxygen radicals that disrupt and destroy the cell membranes of bacteria like C. acnes. The micronized formulation allows the ingredient to penetrate more effectively.